Melody Magic Kids.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed the water spout. Up, up, up he went, so he loved to look about. Down came the raindrops, splashing all around. The itsy bitsy spider slid safely to the ground. But the sun came out, shining warm and bright. The itsy bitsy spider thought, what a happy sight! Back to the spout, he scrambled with a grin. Ready for adventure, up he went again. Climbing, sliding, wee, what fun to play! Spinning little webs as he went along the way. He waved to the flowers, he waved to the trees. He danced with the raindrops, swaying in the breeze. The itsy bitsy spider giggled as he spun. Sliding down the spout made the climb more fun. Up and down, around and round he'd go all day, turning every raindrop into a game to play. At the top of the spout, he built a tiny home, a sparkly little web where he'd never be alone. And when the rain would pour, he'd laugh and slide once more. The itsy bitsy spider always ready to explore.
Thanks for watching.